using VBA, right? Suppose we have the sales data over here, and if we want to remove the formula in the in this table, right? As you can see, there is a formula, some ifs is written. As you can see, this is right, as I am going to highlight this one, right? So before sending the mail to our supervisor, we need to remove all this formula, right? Once we will remove this formula, the size of this Excel file will be gets automatically decrease. As you can see, now again we are going to next sheet, as there is a formula again on the next sheet, there is a formula, right? So we will go to the Apple graphs, you can see formula in all sheet, right? Orange, right? Formula in all sheet. So before sending the email, we need to remove all these formula, by which we can decrease the size of the file, right? And now let's see the VBA code, what we have done in the VBA code. Firstly, we have assigned on a click of button macro, we have assigned VBA code, we have assigned over this button, right? On a click of this button, the formula will be automatically removed from all sheets, right? So firstly, we have taken an integer I and j as an integer, and j we are taking here as a sheets count, right? So it will show the message box to us what is the total number of sheet over there in this workbook. So the loop will be get executed till our sheet count, right? Total number of sheet. So after that, this will select the range, this one range, right? This one range, it will be selected L4 to P16. As you can see, it is written in macro or VBA code, right? And with this selection, dot value is equal to dot value we have taken over here, right? As we do on paste special only value, so this thing it will do over here, only just need to know, right? After that, and with we have used, so after that we have taken here conditional if active sheet, means whatever the active sheet our once it, the loop will be go to our last sheet, it will check, right? Once we will go to this sheet, orange sheet, last one, it will check the condition, it will check that if the active sheet dot index is equal to sheet dot count, then it will automatically select our first sheet. And after that, if it is not match the condition, it will not match, then it will be select the active sheet dot next sheet, it will get activate, and nothing else. This is the overall coding for this one, right? On the click button of this one, click button, now we are going to Apple sheet Apple, this one, right? Now we are going to click on this button, and after clicking on this button, formula will be gets removed. As we can see, same if as formula is written, right? And that's make the file, Excel file will be too heavy, right? So decreasing of size will be easier after this clicking button. Now it is given the total number of sheet count is 4. Now the formula removed successfully. As you can see, formula is removed. Now there is no single formula, and file size file will be automatically will be gets decreased, right? So as you can see, formula has been removed successfully in all sheet. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.